I've just realized that with South Africans, if they don't know something or they don't know someone, it's rubbish. Like, why don't you go out there, do your research, and find out if what the person is saying is the truth, or this person really existed or did certain things maybe before you were born. Just because you were not there, it doesn't exist. One day you're going to deny Umandela. That's why you even deny your ancestors, because you were not there. You hear of them, therefore they don't exist. Hi, my Soul Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matsiri Swaya. If it's your first time on this channel, please like the video, comment down below, and share it broader and wider. And you are on Dear My Soul. My super thanks are on. Please, guys, below the video, you can click three dots, then it will show you the dollar sign. It says thanks, and you can thank me there. Guys, you know what? I wake up in the morning. I think it was on Sunday. Then I check X, because I'm not really on X like that. I don't tweet. I don't do anything. I visit X if they saying there is a trending story, just to check the comments or just to see what's trending. Then I realized that Nontle was trending, and because of the interview she did on 702 with Tando Tabete, and Nontle said she's the first person to introduce Twitter to South Africa because I joined it overseas. And most of the things that she said, she's not lying, guys. I was like, okay, this girl, she made it popular. I can't really say she introduced Twitter to South Africa, because they were talking about the events of 2011. And there are some people who said they joined Twitter in 2008. I can't remember when I joined Twitter, but I remember her tweeting so much, and it was about her tweets this, her tweet that. Then it became popular because of her, because she was forever tweeting. But it's like she was living on Twitter, and that also destroyed her career as well, because she was forever on Twitter and she ended up tweeting rubbish in jail because she lost her endorsement, she lost her job, but she was the it girl. So for those who don't know, Ma 2000, Nontle is around the ages of 45. In our 20s, 30s, Nontle was the proper prominent it girl. She was the girl that she thought she was, because she was on TV, she was doing all these adverts, she was an ambassador of Dark and Lovely and all other products that you wouldn't even think of. Unaposa lebo Kelly Rowland, Abuela lebo Drake. So I believe a reality show before reality shows became popular in South Africa. She was one of the first people to have a reality show in South Africa. So we cannot say she's lying. So I saw this other YouTuber, Slick Talk, because Slick Talk, if something was said by a woman or something was done by a woman, I think he's just a woman hater, Nje. Because the way he will speak so just like aggressive, yeah, dumb cop, this, and he was even calling Nontle dumb cop. Guys, remember back then, for you to be popular like Nontle, for you to be a celebrity like Nontle was, for you to be on TV, on radio, reality shows, host a show that is in overseas, on the red carpet with American superstars, you had to be intelligent. Like, even being on TV, Jay, back then, you had to be someone who is intelligent. You needed to have brains for you to be a celebrity. Not like right now, everyone can be a celebrity nowadays. You go on TikTok, you do crazy videos, you dance, or you do something that's stupid and become celebrity. Right now, being celebrity is so cheap. So with people like Nontle, they earned it. She worked so hard. You had to go through auditions. They didn't just take Noma Ngobani, Bambega at TV, Nuguti. Oh, now we're going to watch this person. You needed to be really, really talented to be celebrity back then. Not like now. So that's why they don't understand. Just because they don't know her. Yes, there's a time where her career kind of ended because of those tweets where she lost her job, endorsements, and all. She was not on TV anymore. If somebody comes to you and say, me, I have done this and this, I am this person, instead of going back and do your research and find out who is this person and what they have done, maybe you will learn something from them. Then you're gonna come and make it a mockery and laugh, because those videos that they did there on TikTok, I'm shocked, because even old celebrities mocking her, You know, but it's a sound interview. Don't do that to Nontle Tema. Don't you dare disrespect Nontle Tema like that. Don't you ever disrespect her, because some of us, we know her. We watched this girl on TV. She did a dance challenge on TikTok and she became celebrity. What nonsense is that? She people like Abo Somizi, because Usomizi umdala and uyamazi uNontle. He knows everything about Nontle. So now when you join this mockery thing on TikTok, so the young ones are like saying, maybe even if the Somizi make a mockery of her, it doesn't exist. So others were comparing her to Nota. Even when it comes to Nota, guys, most of the things that he claims to have done, he has actually done them. It's just that, but what's so wrong with people blowing their own horns? Because in this day and age, we are so jealous as people. We don't give people their flowers while they're still alive. We wait for them to die. So if somebody says, I'm the one who did this, and they have done it, they are not lying. So why are you making mockery of that? Because even Nota, most of the things that he says he has done, he has actually done them. Because he says it over and over. Okay, it's tiring because he says it over and over. I get that. But these are the things that he has done. He knows his capabilities and he is very much confident. You know, South African people, they've got a way of making you lose confidence. Others were even age-shaming her. Look at her, a 45-year-old looking like Nontle Tema. Because there are girls in the 20s who look way older than Nontle. Way older. Look at this woman. And now you're going to mock her and say, hi, lawyer, umdala lawyer. We can't really say she has fallen off. She's got her own range of supplements. Longevity by Nontle Tema. So you can't really say that person has fallen off. She's not someone who's on TV every day. She doesn't have a big following on Instagram. Because Nontle, yeah, talking about Instagram, she became popular. She was the it girl before Instagram. Nothing was boosting her. Posting pictures, now you're gonna be popular because you know the angles, how you put your pictures. Then we just gonna follow. You've got 500,000 followers. Tomorrow you are celebrity because you are being followed. You just become celebrity because you are being followed. For people like Bonontle, it's not like that. They worked hard. There were reasons for them to be celebrity. It was not because of the following. It was not because of Instagram follows that they became celebrities. So we need to respect people. We need to respect people's work. We need to respect people for what they have done. You know, just because when you are doing it now, I did it 10 years ago. So now it overrides everything that I have done. I'm done with it. Now I'm concentrating on other things that serves me as a person and that aligns with my age and my ambitions. So now you're gonna come and say, hi, Asamboni, hey, Aksi you. Now, guys, let's respect people. Let's respect people and their crafts and what they have done and what they have contributed in this country. You know, one day, nizothi uMandela bekangekho vele. Nizothi, hayi, hathina simbonanga. But history is there. You know, you must go back and learn. You must go back and study, do your research. And then when you see some, guys, what's so wrong in when you see someone saying something, you go back and do your research and find out who this person is. Like when you just conclude, because Minamiyazi, she's lying. Because Minamiyazi, this person, he's lying. Because you are not there, the person is lying. You needed to be there for you to believe that they have been there and they have done that. That's so stupid. Guys, I wanted to address this thing of, please, you have to respect uNontle Tema, guys. No, it's not a lie. All the things that she has said, it's the truth, you know? So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I love you and I appreciate you. Please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment down below, and I will see you on my next upload. Bye-bye.